welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. For this video, I'm going to be doing a soft glam makeup look. Soft glam for beginners, because as y'all know, I ain't a part of this whole MUA lifestyle, but I could do a little something, something. So make sure you all are subscribed to my channel, because like I see y'all watching my videos but you're not subscribing. So what's going on? Like, I see you watch my videos but you're not subscribed. So like, do y'all want to be friends or not? It hurts when you watch my video and you don't subscribe. Y'all trying to call me ugly? Anyways, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you never miss another video, and make sure you also turn on the post notification bell, which should be right next to the subscribe button, so that you'll always be notified whenever I post a video. Without further ado, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already started on my brows. If you want to see how I do my brows, I will link the tutorial, my tutorial on how I do my brows, in the description box. But for right now, we're gonna get started with the eyes, and I'm going to be taking again my 3503 palette by Morphe. And so I'm gonna start with a transition shade. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one right here. You know, I didn't try out this look before to see like how it's gonna come out, so you guys are seeing this reaction like me. I feel like I like doing videos better like this when I'm doing looks for the first time. Well, not the first time, but like, you know, off a whim, so you can see like my reaction and how I do it. So, you know, we going for soft glam. I feel like this look, like you could really not wear this look anywhere, but like this is probably would be a go-to fave of an eye look for me, because y'all know I don't really do like all the colors and stuff like that, like rarely. I'm just starting getting into it. So I feel like this is like a good lead way into colors, because you know we added some pinks. Now that I have that transition shade in, I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here. I don't remember all the color names off the top of my head, so I will list them on the screen and in the description box. But I'm gonna take this color here. It's kind of like a reddish, like a reddish brownish type of color. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on like the outer corner of my eye, so the outer corner, and kind of like up a little bit on top of the transition shade, and maybe in my crease. Again, like I'm just trying this out, so I basically watch what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to explain what I'm doing, but it's better for you to watch instead of explain what I'm doing, if that makes sense. So like I placed the color right here on the outer corner, and then like I brought it in a little bit into my crease, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm probably gonna take the same brown that I put in my transition, as a transition shade, and I'm probably just gonna put a little bit like right here on the outer corner to kind of like, I guess, tone it down. Again, y'all, like, not an MUA, just doing what I do. I'm going to take this pink shade. I'm going to take this pink shade right here, and I'm going to just pack that color onto my lid. I actually think I'm gonna mix these two, the top shade. I hope this can focus. I'm gonna mix the top shade and this shade together to get like that perfect like blush pink that I want. So I'm gonna go back in a little bit in my outer corner, because I kind of like brought it out too much to my outer corner. So I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I had with that first reddish color, but instead of that reddish color, I'm gonna be mixing probably that and mixing a little bit more of the brown and just blending that into my outer corner. Now that that is on, I'm just going to take a little bit of that color that I put on my lid and kind of replace it back on my lid, because I kind of feel like after blending all that out, some of the lid color got lost, and I have hooded eyes, so it's already kind of difficult to see my eyeshadow on my lids already. So I want that to pop a little more, so I'm going to go back in with those two shades that I had mixed on my lid, and I'm going to place it on my lid. And then now that that's there, I'm just gonna take another brush and just kind of just lightly blend everything without taking away the lid space. So now I'm going to move on to eyeliner. I'm going to take the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black, and I'm going to create a wing liner. I can't talk while I'm doing this because I need my full concentration, so I'm probably going to speed this part up. And yeah. Yo, I'm trying to get my eyeliner to look symmetrical as possible, but it's starting to like annoy me because one, like, bottom line, practice your eyeliner, y'all. Practice, practice, practice. I'm still practicing how to like do eyeliner like good, because right now like it's really bothering me. But see, like, I'm gonna try to finesse and make it work. And no. So I tried my best to get my wing liner as like symmetrical and as perfect as possible. It isn't perfect. I still have like, yeah, I'm not even gonna talk about it. I just want to put on the lashes because to me, I feel like regardless of how my eyeliner looks, once I put on my lashes, it just makes everything like come together in a way. But all I'm gonna say is trust the process, because trust me, when I probably finish this look, not probably, when I finish this look, it's gonna look good. So now I'm gonna move on to lashes. I'm just going to take my L'Oreal mascara, put a couple coats of that on my lashes, and then I'm going to be using my Velvet Luxe lashes. I'm gonna be taking my Velvet Luxe lashes. If you do not know by now, Velvet Luxe lashes is the only lashes I use on my eyes. Nothing more else to say. Make sure you shop with them on Instagram. I will link them on the screen and in the description box. I'm going to be using their lashes in the style Boss. So I'm gonna come back to the eyes in a bit, but now I'm gonna move on to the face. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my regular face routine. I'm gonna speed this part up because I do the same thing in my previous videos, but if you want an in-depth detailed tutorial of how I do my face routine, so my face makeup, just let me know and I will do that for you.
myself. I'll explain myself. I can't play myself. Our first night, holy night, 5 in the morning, yeah. And it feels like you're mine. Signs of the times, oh what a time. Playing it right, playing it perfect. Laughing it off, but I know you're hurting. Signs of the times, I say all the time. Taking my time just gets harder to find it. But you're playing it right, you're playing it perfect. Just trying to take it all off of me. Trying to stay real close to me. I gotta catch myself, I can't play myself. I need to take it easy, 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 easy. Yo, oh no, yo, my vida, boss little. Call me when you're feeling sick. Call me when you're feeling down. Call me when you need someone to talk. Call me when you're feeling lonely. Call me when you need somebody. Call me when you need someone to talk. You got my number. Hey, I gotta wait for your boss. Don't be late, no. I gotta wait for your call. You get my number. I gotta wait for your call, no. Maybe don't be late, don't delay, no. Hey, my nigga, Maybelline, I go. Maybelline, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for your call, no. My nigga, Maybelline, I go. Maybelline, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for you. You make a man loco, baby, snap a photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like, say I want to loto. Nancy Colombo.
Y'all, I don't know why I always forget, but whenever I contour my face, I forget to contour my nose. Like, I don't. It's been a week. It's been a week.
Tell me where you want to go. When you go with me, when you need someone to talk. Call me when you want some cuddling. When you want some kissing. Tell me when you need anything, baby. Because you got my number. I gotta wait for your call. Don't be shy, no need to. I gotta wait for your call. You got my number. I gotta wait for your call. Maybe don't delay, don't be late. Hey, my nigga, Maybelline, I go. Maybelline, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for you, yeah. My nigga, Maybelline, I go. Maybelline, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for you. You make a man loco, baby, snap a photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like, say I want to loto. Nancy Colombo, Hola Colombo. You make a man loco, baby, snap a photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like, say I want to loto. Nancy Colombo, Hola Colombo.
This is the final completed look. What did I tell y'all? Trust the process. Trust the process, because you know, I just knew. Make sure you all like this video and subscribe to my channel. Like, come on y'all, I see you. Like, I see you. You watch my videos and you're not subscribing. Like, come on. Again, thank you for all the support and kind words on my videos. I have a lot more videos coming soon, and I will see you all in my next video.
Hey, yo, heck, get at him.